Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Brooke here. If you like the content, please hit like so I can make more of the videos that you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing more things to do in quarantine. So today we are going to be going to Home Depot and Walmart and looking for plants. So we're going to be redoing our garden box. We have a pretty big garden, I'll show you guys in a little bit. And right now we have nothing planted in it. So we are going to kickstart our spring garden and hopefully we can find some plants that we want. But I will take you guys with us on the shopping journey so you guys can see what we pick out. Maybe we'll find some new things we didn't think of. Looks like they're pretty prepared for people to spend this quarantine gardening. Oh my god. Got tons of plants. Oh my gosh, even more soil. This is unreal. Okay, I have a feeling we're gonna find everything we need here. Okay, so we have tons of leeks and some cauliflower. Oh, Mad Hatter. Look how cute those peppers are. A hot pepper, okay. Okay, we're gonna add that. We've got some heirloom tomatoes. Is that what this is?
No, these are red beefsteak. They're good with like meat.
In the city aroma. I don't think any of those were the right words, but you know, it's the effort that counts. Ooh, dill. I want dill. Wait, why do all of these plants look dead? That's the healthy, okay, nope, never mind. We are not getting dill. Oh, we've got some oregano. Okay, okay. Oh, flat Italian. Okay, there we go. We're gonna get some of that too. Okay, gonna get some habanero. Some jalapenos, we've got some dill, we have some parsley in here. We have 4 different types of tomato plants. Basil, we got some mint. All right, now we got some snap peas, and then a few of the things that we had just gotten one of, we now got 2. Okay, we found everything else that we wanted in seed form. We're really getting aggressive here.
I love these scanners.
This is what's going on. We've got a line all the way through. Wild. Okay, so we just bought 6 of these. So, or 8. Oh my god, we just bought 8. Okay, so I guess we'll load up now. All right, update. Barely, but we were able to fit everything. So we've got all of our plants. We got a few down in here. And then we have all of our potting soil. So, turns out we found everything here, so we're not gonna have to go to Walmart after all. So we're just gonna go home and start planting. Here is our planter box. As you can see, it's really large, so that's why we needed all of these potting soils. So Darren has started unloading the potting soil, and then we're gonna have to spread it out, moisten the soil and such, and then we will get planting.
Yeah, yeah. Never not, never under ya, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me not. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God, next to God, next to God. Never not, never under ya, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, don't check me not. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God, next to God, next to God.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but we actually put sprinklers in our garden box. So we have them on a timer so we don't even have to water our plants. And Darren built this. Thanks, babe. He's the best. Okay, so we just finished the garden and I'm gonna show you guys what we did and everything that we have. So for our tomatoes, because we had 6 of each, we decided to do 2 of these little grow ring things. I don't know what they're called. So all of our different types of tomatoes. For our snap peas, because they were kind of drooping, we decided to put this little wire cage thing around it to help give them some structure to grow. All of our peppers, here will be shishito peppers. And then here's all of our basil, all the other herbs, more herbs, our different types of lettuce, our arugula, cauliflower, green onions, and carrots. And right now we're using these little paper things. I'm gonna be ordering, look how pretty that is. But I'm gonna be ordering some of these, like wood ones, so that everything matches and looks the same. Because obviously, burying the packages are not gonna work. But at least we know what is here, especially because we have all these different types of lettuce and the different veggies. So it will all look uniform and attractive. Okay, we are gonna turn on the sprinklers. Here we go. Boop. Oh, you see that? This means we are never watering our own garden. Also, this idea belonged to this handsome stud right here.
That's right, that's me.
Mm-hmm.
Looking so handsome right now.
Oh yeah, you are. So these are the garden labels that we're gonna get. They are bamboo, and we are gonna paint them and decorate them, and this is probably gonna be our next craft. So it comes with 60 pieces, so that should be more than plenty. Thank you guys so much for joining us while we put together our garden. If you guys like the content of this video, please don't forget to subscribe below and click like, so I know the type of videos you guys are into. All right, thanks again, guys. I will see you in next week's video.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting.